Dr. Anderson, I've been diving deep into the world of neuropharmacology lately, and I wanted to discuss action potentials. I find them fascinating.
Always a thrilling topic. Action potentials are the essence of neuronal communication. What specifically are you curious about?
Well, I'm trying to understand the phases of an action potential. The depolarization and repolarization processes are a bit intricate.
It's indeed a dynamic process. Think of it like a domino effect. During depolarization, sodium channels open, allowing an influx of sodium ions, making the cell interior less negative. That's the up phase.
Right, the rapid rise in voltage. And then comes repolarization, where potassium channels open, and potassium rushes out, bringing the cell back to its negative resting state.
Exactly. That's the down phase. The cell has to reset to its resting state to be ready for the next signal.
And what about the refractory period? How does that fit in?
The refractory period is crucial. It prevents the neuron from firing continuously. There's an absolute refractory period where no stimulus can trigger another action potential, and a relative refractory period where it's possible but requires a stronger stimulus.
Got it. It's like a safety mechanism to avoid overload. Now, how do neurotransmitters play a role in this?
Neurotransmitters are the messengers between neurons. After an action potential, the release of neurotransmitters into the synapse triggers the next cell in line. Excitatory neurotransmitters make the receiving neuron more likely to fire, while inhibitory neurotransmitters do the opposite.
Ah, the synaptic crosstalk. That makes sense. And medications, how do they influence this intricate dance of action potentials?
Medications often target ion channels or receptors involved in action potentials. Sodium channel blockers, for example, can reduce the excitability of neurons. It's a delicate balance.
It's fascinating how these tiny molecules can have such profound effects. Dr. Anderson, thanks for shedding light on the intricacies of action potentials. It really helps me connect the dots in neuropharmacology.
My pleasure. Understanding these fundamental processes is crucial for both of us. Feel free to dive deeper anytime. It's a journey worth exploring.
Absolutely, Dr. Anderson. Looking forward to more discussions on the wonders of neuropharmacology.